Hello learners, welcome to lesson 2. In this lesson, I'm going to introduce you to the Microsoft environment, the Microsoft Word environment. In lesson 1, we did introduction to loading a particular Microsoft Word application. And to be able to do that in the last class, we took 4 different steps. Step 1 was to click on the Windows button. Step 2 was to search for Word. Step 3 was to left click once. Step 4 was to click on the blank document. And in today's lesson, I'm going to introduce you to all these environments that you have here. So I have divided my screen into 2. On the left hand side, I have a material that shows a full label of the Microsoft Word environment, while on the right, I have my Microsoft Word, a blank document labeled Microsoft Word environment. So this is what I am going to do. I am going to introduce you to the Microsoft Word environment. From the left screen, we have what we call the title bar. Just follow my mouse. We have the title bar. Don't forget that the title bar does a particular thing. It shows the name of the document we are working on. And by default, we have document 1. On the left of the title bar, we have what we call the quick access toolbar. These are the quick access toolbar. Quick access toolbar. Also, we have what we call the menu bar. Everything we have here, where my mouse is oozing through, everything we have here, we refer to them as menu. And each of them is called a tab. If I come to my file, it is called a file tab. If I go to my home, it is called home tab. This is the insert tab, the page layout tab, the references tab, the mailings tab, the review tab, view tab, and the add-in tab. But the collective name for all of them is what we refer to as the menu bar. So from there, we move to the dialog box launcher. The icon we have here is called the dialog box launcher. And let me go to the right side of my screen to show you what the dialog box launcher looks like. So here on the right screen, we have the dialog box launcher. So once I clicked on it, it showed me font. It showed me so many different things that is contained within that dialog box. Also, for this paragraph, we have indent and spacing, line and page breaks. Can you see? So those are what we have within that particular dialog box launcher. Also for styles, we have normal, heading 1, heading 2, title, subtitle, and so on. So those are what we have within that dialog box launcher. Also for clipboard, paste all, clear all, these are what we have within that dialog box launcher. Now I will go to the rulers. This is what we call the horizontal ruler, and this is what we call the vertical ruler. So the next thing we move to where we have this question mark, and which represents help. Anything you want to do within your Microsoft Word environment, you can just run to the question mark section, which is the same on the right screen. It tells you, tell me what you want to do. And from there, once you go there and you type what you want to achieve, it takes you right there. From there, I will go to my status bar. This is my status bar. It tells me page 1 of 1, Word 0, and so on. This is the status bar. So every document we work on, it gives us an information about the document. The white part that we have here, where I have typed Microsoft Word environment, is what is referred to as the document area. And at the bottom right hand side, we have what we call the views button. This is the read mode. This is the print layout mode. This is the web layout mode. And to the right of the view button, we have the zoom control. So this is the zoom control. When I click on the minus, it goes very small. When I click on the plus, it grows bigger. So that is that on that. The next thing I need to show you will come in lesson 3. Thank you so much for participating.